Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to fix blurry profile picture on WhatsApp, and all we have to do is to first of all check for photograph quality, and if it's optimum and you are still experiencing this type of an issue, all we have to do is to head on over back, and then you are going to long press on WhatsApp. You're going to tap on app info. From there, you are going to make sure that you have forced stop the WhatsApp application, and then you've gone here on storage and cache and cleared the cache. From there, you're going to make sure that you have optimum Wi-Fi connection. And then from there, you are going to update your WhatsApp application to the latest version by heading over to our Play Store, or if you have an iPhone, to your Apple Store. Then you're going to tap on the search icon, and then you are going to search for WhatsApp. From there, if you have any update available, I would suggest that you update it to the latest version. And then another thing is install and reinstall your WhatsApp application in the case that you are still experiencing this problem. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.